My name is Dr. Anwar. Friends, let me share with you all today the importance of getting up early in the morning. Why it is important for all of us to get up early in the morning. Friends, every one of us wants to be successful. Every one of us wants to be at the top. Every one of us wants to be the most successful person in this world. But friends, believe it or not, success comes with lot of hard work. Success comes with lot of dedication. Success comes with lot of discipline. Friends, if you read the biographies of most of the successful persons in this world, you will see one thing common in almost all of them. That one thing is they were all early risers. They used to get up early in the morning. Friends, although they had luxury, although they had comfort, but still what pushed them, what made them get up early and start doing the things? Friends, if you look into Vedas, it clearly says Brahme Murte Uttishte Jirnam Ajirnam Nirupayam Rakshatam Ayusha Swasto Jatveka Samrut Sajet. That means if a person gets up early in the morning in Brahma Murata, a time when Lord Brahma is imparting knowledge, a time when human mind is fresh, positive and calm, a time when human mind is free from worldly thoughts, anxieties and worries, a time when human mind is like a blank sheet wherein whatever you want to write, you can write on in human mind. Studies have shown that early risers are sharp and take better decisions in achieving their own goals, and whatever targets they set, they achieve them in a very perfect way. Friends, the second line of the shlok beautifully says Rakshatam Ayushaha Swasto Jatvega Samrusajet. A person who gets up early in the morning is free from diseases. His ayu or his life expectancy increases. He is able to be happy, healthy and cheerful throughout. His sense organs are functioning effectively till whatever age he lives. Believe it or not, our mind is very powerful. It is capable of doing things what we want to do. It is capable of doing whatever we want to achieve in our life. Friends, whatever command you give it to mind, it will take as it is. Let us consider a situation when you have to catch a flight, bus or train at around 6 a.m. in the morning. So what you will do at prior night is you will give a command to your mind that you have to wake up at 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning, depending upon the place where you want to go, depending upon how far you are from the place. Friends, 99% of us will wake up at around 4 or 5 a.m. whatever time we have set up. Friends, we all are aware that getting up early in the morning and being healthy is more important than catching a bus. But still friends, we don't get up. Believe me friends, if we don't get up, if we don't do exercise, if we don't do yoga, if we don't do meditation, believe me, slowly and gradually we will land up in hospitals paying hefty medical bills. Friends, we should and we must get up early in the morning, and I'm sure you will be happy, healthy and cheerful.